Hello students and families. I'm going to show you quickly how to access Edmodo from your home laptop or computer device, and I'm also going to show you how your child can get into Moby Max, which is a great application through Edmodo that they can use. So follow along and then you should be able to do this on your own computer. So the first thing your child is going to do is your child is going to go to Edmodo.com. We practiced this twice today, so they should be able to log in pretty quickly. So when you log in, let me log out of mine first. When you log in, it should look like this. Or if you have the app, it's going to be just this little guy right here if you downloaded the app. You're going to log in, and your child's WCPSS and their lunch number is how they're going to get in. Now, some students have a capital W here and some do not. So if it doesn't work at first this way, try it with a capital W. Click Login. And boom, it should take you right to here. So your students are going to see a bunch of different posts and things. If they scroll down, they're going to see that I posted something that looks like this. And it says Miss McCommons to Miss McCommons crew. And then it says Moby Max. If they click on it, it's going to take them to Moby Max. Sorry, they need to make sure they click on the actual link. I clicked on the icon. Your students might do the same, your kids might do the same thing. Click on the actual little icon that will take them to Moby Max. Okay, so now we're here. You're going to click up here to the blocks, and you should be able to see this. And then they may pick any of these pieces that they want to work on. It also might look like this when they log in, and if it looks like this when they log in, you're going to have to read the fine print. But see down here where it says sign in with Clever? Don't do that. But if you go right here and sign in with Edmodo, then it should take them right to back to Moby Max, and they should be able to click on the books. Now they can pick any of these activities that they like. I suggest you pick the math or the fact fluency or the reading pieces. Those are the best start ones, but you can pick whichever you want. The science and social studies are geared more towards third grade, so I would really pick the math or the reading. If you pick math, it's going to ask you to do an assessment first. The great thing about Moby Max is it will place the children where they belong. So if they're getting along really well with second grade math, it might challenge them and let them move further along. So see, it says today we'll start placement test. And it begins to read to them. So it'll take them through some questions that they can ask. They look like this. Up here, they can always have the test read to them because we want to make sure that they're understanding what the question is asking, and so it's not an issue that they didn't read it correctly. And so here I would just type in, and then I would click the arrow, and it would continue to cycle you through questions. It'll tell you how many minutes you've actually been working. The other great thing is that as your students work, this game piece right here will become active after they have worked a certain number of minutes. And so they'll be rewarded by being able to play different types of quick video games. They'll be educational focused, but excuse me, but that's what they'll be earning as they do their work. So this is a great piece that they are welcome to work on. It is free to them. They can work on it as little or as often as they like to supplement their learning at school. And I hope that you enjoyed this. Please let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to email me. All right, I hope you all have a pleasant evening, and I will see the kiddos bright and early tomorrow morning.